Good evening, everyone. All right, so this is the out and back 2.5 mile route that we ran this morning. Probably going to go ahead and try it again tomorrow. This is a great just morning run. Maybe you're doing 2 days, you can get this in. If you're doing 5 in the morning, 5 in the evening, that sort of thing, or maybe 5 and 4. It's a good route. It's got a lot of trees on either side of the sidewalk, plus plenty of kind of surface for grass to go grass running as well. There are a couple spots, just make sure you're careful of entrances and exits into the neighborhood. So you're going to start over here at the light of Katy Gaston and South Fry Road. You're going to run east on South Fry Road, actually on the sidewalk, and then you're going to follow the sidewalk path as you continue on. But here's the thing, I don't want you going to the intersection of Gaston Road. That gets hairy. And so to avoid that, I'd rather have you go along the sidewalk path. There's a cute little bridge right here at 0.55. And then you would cross down here. This would be safer, less traffic in that given area, and the road is smaller. But you'll cross there, still look left and right. And then you're going to continue to head south. Now on Gaston Road, the mile mark is going to be just before you get to kind of where the golf cart path is. So measuring this out here on Google Maps, this is where I have it. So split your watch there, okay, just before you get to that point. You're going to continue to run south on Gaston Road until you get to Bonnie Holland Elementary School. There's your 1.5 if you're going 3 out and back. But here's Bonnie Holland. Once you get there to the intersection of Gaston and Seven Meadows Parkway, take another right. Okay. You can continue along. Again, a lot of these green belts have great space for you to run on the grass in close proximity to the sidewalk. Your 2 mile. 2 mile is going to be even with these signs that are like kind of caution road signs that are they're permanently there because sometimes people might treat this as a wrong way onto Seven Meadows. So your 2 miles is right there, and then you're going to continue along Seven Meadows Parkway. All right, heading now kind of a northeast direction along Seven Meadows, and then you get to about where this commercial center is here. Here's your Starbucks right on over there. So just before you get to that entrance, that'd be your turnaround spot. So it's an out and back. So that means obviously that your 3 mile would be right there. Your 4 would be right back over here. And then your 5 would be at the finish. And then you can always use this area as a good warm up, good strides, that sort of thing. Or we could go over to the dog park if it's open and do grass strides over there. Or we could simply come across here and use Lake Whitbeck and use strides and maybe some hill work on that respective area. All right, so it's a 2.5 mile out and back rock and roll. Have a great day.